Octanis is expanding. Where and why? The answer to these questions lies in the definition of what Octanis actually is, or better, what we represent. At Octanis, we do things. That thing that you have always wanted to do. At Octanis, you will do it. That thing that you have always wanted to learn. At Octanis, you can learn it. Plus, you'll discover much more, because you will be immersed in everybody else's dreams, aspirations and projects. At Octanis, sparks of inspiration, rough ideas, puzzles turn into projects. At Octanis, you don't need skills to start working on a project. You acquire skills as you work on a project. You have the time to learn, fail and repeat. We provide a space in which you can feel inspired, creative, comfortable to fail and to share your mistakes so that others can learn from them. As we progress on projects, we create this space. As we create this space, we progress on projects. What we want to bring to the EPFL community is such a space. An incubator for crazy ideas, a community in which we share knowledge, skills and mistakes. A space where everybody can work in their way. A space in which you can feel comfortable. And this is what we are creating, 3 metro stops away from EPFL at Chemin du Creuset 9. It is a space where your ideas can take flight. Aside from the community, what will you find there? Project benches, 3D printers, a laser cutter, CNC, soldering stations, a sewing machine, power tools and much more. See you soon!